All right, family, here we go. We're gonna do a little fried rice here. Shrimp, fried rice. Got some cooked shrimp already here. Got some pork rice, which is partially boiled rice. Got some peas in it. Got some garlic and spices here. Put about 3 peppers in there. And soy sauce, gotta have that. Got the olive oil on deck. Got a little butter right here. And we're gonna go ahead and get this part started. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get it going, guys.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting.
Alright, guys, we're gonna take a cup here. I don't know how much I'm gonna make. Maybe 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice. You're gonna do for every cup. I'm gonna do 2 cups of water. So 2 cups of rice and do 4 cups. That's right at 4 cups. We'll bring it over here. Remove the lid. I'm trying to use my potpourri, so excuse that right there. There we go. Got 4 cups here. Got the high, burn on high. I got the pork rice at 2 cups. Yes, sir. I'm gonna wait for this to start boiling, and we're gonna go from there. Actually, I'm gonna add a little olive oil to this mix and some salt. We're gonna do it, let's do it right. So we're just making some pork rice. So it'll be so sticky. I like pork rice because I can fry it and it doesn't gum up on me. Add a little salt to the mix. There you go, just a little bit. Okay, so while we waiting on that, we can go ahead and get the chopper over here, okay? Let me get that rice in here. First guy got the veggies all chopped up, got the shrimp. They got cooked shrimp, so have them thaw it out a little bit. And go to the next step. I got some partially boiled rice, parboiled rice. It's about done. It's perfect, so to keep this integrity, so be able to go ahead and fry it real easy. So. And I got to put eggs. You gotta have eggs, so you gotta stay tuned. With this shrimp, you can leave the tail on or off. So I think I'm gonna take the tail off to make it a lot easier. A little bit more time, but yeah, we'll go ahead and take that off. So I won't bore you guys with that. I'll be right back. All right, guys, as I went along, I did season the rice some more. The previous seasonings, I'm adding the shrimp right now. The garlic was a good hint for it as far as more flavor. Just go ahead and get it all mixed up. Make sure the shrimp is pretty much evenly spread throughout the rice. I still have the rice on high where it is still frying, so it won't get mushy. That's what I like about the parboiled rice. You'll see right here that it did not mush up. It stayed its shape consistently, and I added some soy sauce as well, along with everything else, and it was pretty much a wrap. It's pretty easy. This is with the soy sauce, gave it a little bit more color. As you see here, the pictures are great, and as I taste it here in a minute, it was absolutely delicious. I really, really enjoyed it. And it's a pretty easy, quick dish as well too. So something you come home and just jump right into. I can use cooked shrimp because I didn't have to cook them, so it's pretty fast. And see, I'm very happy about it. Thank you guys for rocking with your boy. I pray you guys for joining the family, and I'm gonna see you beautiful people next video. Peace.